Imagine waking up every morning and your computer has already done hours of work for you, not just answering questions, but actually thinking, researching, building, and taking action. That is not the future. That is local AI agents. In this video, I'm going to break down in the simplest possible way how you can build your own AI agent that works for you 24/7 right on your own machine. And trust me, once you understand this, your entire way of working will change forever. Today, we are not talking about chatbots. We are talking about something more powerful, AI that doesn't wait for instructions, but actually works on its own. By the end of this, you will understand how to build your own AI agent system from scratch. Most people today use AI like this: ask, wait, get answer. That is passive, but local AI agents are active. They can manage your calendar, track your work, write code, even make decisions. Chatbots respond, agents act. This is the shift from AI tools to AI workers. You know the biggest productivity killer? Starting, opening tabs, switching context, wasting time. But agents remove that completely. While you sleep, they collect data, prepare drafts, build outlines. So when you start your day, you don't start from zero, you start from progress. This alone can double your productivity. Think of your AI agent like a human. It needs brain, which is the AI model, mouth and ears, communication, eyes for vision, memory for knowledge, tools for skills, heartbeat for automation. If any one is missing, the system is incomplete. You are not installing AI, you are assembling a digital employee. This is a very important decision. Where your agent lives determines everything. You have three options: old laptop, cheap, always on, and dedicated machine, powerful, and of course VPS, scalable but less private. Three factors: 24/7 uptime, performance, RAM or the memory matters most, and security. My recommendations: start simple but think long term. Not all models are equal. Some are powerful but expensive, cheap but limited, private but resource heavy. So you must balance cost, capability, and privacy. Key insight: use multiple models for different tasks. Smart systems don't use one brain, they use a team of brains. How do you talk to your agent? Simple: Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp. Now it becomes remotely controllable. And when you add vision, it can see your screen, navigate apps, performs actions like a human. This is where things become magical. This is the heartbeat of your system. Without this, actually, your agent is useless. With this, it becomes autonomous. Example: 7 a.m., morning brief, new email, process automatically, file added, trigger workflow. This is where AI becomes a worker. Here is something surprising. Memory is not complicated. It is just organized text into markdown files. Your agent writes what it does, stores it, reuses it. Over time, it learns, improves, compacts, it becomes personalized. Think of it as a second brain. This is critical. Never trust your agent blindly. The rules: don't run on your main system. Don't give full access. Don't trust unknown tools. Instead, use a separate machine, use sandbox accounts, run security audits. Be paranoid and be safe. Why stop at one agent? Create a team. For example, a research agent, coding agent, monitoring agent. One central agent coordinates everything. The result: more speed, more specialization, more power. This is how real AI systems scale. You have two paths: code, maximum control, OpenClaw; no code, easy and safe, Claude co-work. If you're technical, go deep. If you're a beginner, start simple. But start. This is where things get real. Agents working, communicating, building overnight. Imagine waking up and your AI has already built something for you. This is the safer version, less control, but easier to use, perfect for beginners. Folder-based organized security by design. Big mistake people make: asking AI to do everything at once. Correct way: one task, validate, add next. Step by step. This is how professionals build systems. Even NVIDIA CEO says every company will need an AI agent strategy, and SaaS will become AI agent as service. This is not optional anymore. The future belongs to people who combine AI coding and agent systems. Together, you don't just use AI, you build with AI, you scale with AI. If this opened your eyes, you're already ahead of 95% of the people. Now, the next step is simple. Don't just watch, start building. If you want me to show you step by step how to build your own local AI agent, comment below, build, and I will create a full hands-on series for you. We have already created videos on OpenClaw and Paperclip. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because this is just the beginning. Join my one-on-one mentorship or internship program. Link is in the description.